day, grade 9. Today we are going to continue answering our learning task 2B, number 6 to 15 on page 29. So, letter B, perform the indicated operations. So, for number 6, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, we have 4 terms here. So, this one is 6 root of 3 is already in its lowest term or simplified form. This one is not. These two are not also. So here, where are the like terms? Yun, 192 and 192, we can add the 3 and 2. Ito, lowest term natin muna ito. So ito, kopya, 4, 6 root of 3, and then we have 2. Hati natin yung 4th root of 32. So we have 4th root and another 4th root. Hati ang 32. Ano ang 4th root of 32? 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. So 4th root of 16 is 2. Para makuha yung 32, yung 16, ita-times natin ng 2. So 16 times 2 is 32. Ito, pwede nating addin itong minus 3 and minus 2 because they are like terms. So minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. 6th root of 192. Mamaya na natin siya hatiin. So ito is 4. 6th root of 3 pa rin. Plus, we have 2 times. Kukunin natin ang 4th root of 16, which is 2. So, we have 2 here. Tapos, kopya yung 4th root of 2. And then yun, hatiin natin yung 192. So, we have 6th root times 6th root. So 192, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So 6th root of 64 is 2. Tapos, para makuha ang 192, divide natin 192 ng 64, kuha natin yung 3. So ito, ganun pa rin. 4, 6th root of 3, plus 2 times 2 is 4. 4th root of 2 minus 5. Ano ang 6th root of 64? 2. Tapos kopya yun. 3. Okay, ito pa rin. 4, 6th root of 3 plus 4, 4th root of 2 minus 5 times 2 is 10. 6th root of 3. So, ano ang like terms natin dyan? Ito. 4, 6th root of 3 and minus 10, 6th root of 3. So, ito, wala. So, unahin na natin ito rito. So, we have 4, 4th root of 2, tapos combine natin itong dalawa. 4 minus 10 is minus 6. And then 6th root of 3. Number 7, we have cube root of 3 times cube root of 9. So, pareho naman silang cube root. Pwede i-multiply natin yung 3 times 9. So, we have cube root of 27, and the cube root of 27 is 3. 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. So, 3 answer natin doon. Ito, pwedeng i-times na natin. The square root of 6 times square root of 2 is square root of 12. Tapos, pwedeng hatiin natin siya sa square root of 4 square root of 3. And square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 3. Or kung gusto naman, hatiin na ito muna sa square root of 3 and square root of 2. Itong 6. Tapos times yung square root of 2 na ito. So we have itong dalawa, square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of 4. Or simply 2 at kopya yung square root of 3. O mamili kung anong gusto niyo solution doon. Number 9, binomial. So ito ay distributive property. Yan. So 4 times 1 ay 4. Square root of 15. So may square root of 6. Pwede mag-times. 15 times 6 is 90. Alright, plus. Kopya yung plus. 4 ulit. Times 1 dito is 4. Times na natin yung 15 times 5 is 75. Pagkatapos niyan, i-break na natin siya. Ito is equal to 4 ati 90 sa 9 at sa 10. And then, plus 4 hati ang 75 sa 25 and 3. So, 25 times 3, 75. 9 times 10 ay 90. Tapos, square root na natin ito. 4 times square root of 9 is 3. Kopya yung square root of 10. Plus 4. Kopya yung 4. Times 25 square root. 5. Square root of 3. Then finally, itatimes natin ito, dalawa. Dito na natin lagay class. So 4 times 3 is 12. And then square root of 10. And then yung pangalawa, 4 times 5 is 20. Square root of 3. Okay. Yun ang number 9. Okay, number 10. Distributive din. Negative ito. O, dito. And then doon. So, negative times positive is negative. Square root of 2 times square root of 10 is square root of 20. Negative times positive. Dalawang negative. Positive siya. Even. And then, 4. May 4 doon. Unahin natin yung 4. Tapos, 2 times 6 ay 12 na may radical. Hati ang 20 is equal to negative square root of 4 tsaka 5. And then, plus yung 4, hati yung 12 sa 4 at square root of 3. And then, we have negative square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 5 plus, shortcut na natin, 4 times 2. Or 8 siya. Ito ay 2 times 4, 8. Square root of 3. Gusto unahin naman yung positive. Equals 8. Square root of 3 minus 2. Square root of 5. And this is now our number 10. Okay, number 11, we have square root of 9 over 25. Yung 25, hindi kasama sa square root. Yung itaas lang. So, yung itaas lang, ang square root natin. Square root of 9 is 3. And then, kopya yung 25. Pero kung yung square root ay hanggang ibaba, ang answer natin ay 3/5. So ito, pwede nating i-lowest term muna yung 2/8 or mag-rationalize na tayo. Ita-times na natin ng square root of 8 ito at square root of 8 din yung itaas. Or ita-times ng 4 square root of 8 itong ibaba, ita-times mo rin ng 4 square root of 8 yung itaas. Pero mas madali is i-times na natin ng square root of 8. Rationalize the denominator. So, okay. So, yan. Ta-times na natin dito. Huwag na isama itong 4. So, ito ay merong square root of 8. And then, ito is square root of 8 din. Equals, yan. Ta-times na tayo. 4 times 1 ay 4 times square root of 8 times square root of 8 is 8. Tapos ang itaas, square root of 2 times square root of 8 is square root of 16. Square root tayo. Ano square root of 16? 4. 4 times 8, 32. Tapos lowest term, divide ng 4. Yung itaas, 1. Divide din ng 4 ang 32 is 8. 1/8. Oh, rationalize the denominator. O may problema rin dito. Cube root na ito. So, anong pang-times natin na cube root? Then, para siya ay malis natin yung cube root. Isa siya. Dalawa pa nito is 9. Bakit 9? Kasi 9 times 3 ay 27. At meron tayong cube root ng 27. 3. So, itong itaas, katulad din ito. Yan. Para siya ay 1. So, ibaba natin is 27 cube root 3. So, 3 na lang. Na-rationalize na natin ang denominator. So, itaas is 3 times 1 cube root of 2 times cube root of 9 is cube root of 18. Oh, tapos, cancel natin yung 3 equal to 1. So, final answer is cube root of 18. Number 14, binomial lang ito yung ra-rationalize natin. So, 5, mabaguhin ang sign. Kung ito plus, minus doon. Kung minus ito, plus dito. So, ito ay minus square root of 2. Ganon din yung itaas. Katulad itong dalawa. So, 5 minus square root of 2. Ibaba. Square the first term. 5 times 5 is 25. And this is always minus square root of 2. And square root of 2 is 2. Sa itaas, ito times dito. Ito times doon, distributive. So, I have 5 times square root of 5 is 5. Square root of 5, huwag nyo mo multiply, walang radical sign yung 5 dito. Minus, square root of 5 times square root of 2. Yan, pwede mag-times. 10. And finally, our answer is 5 square root of 5 minus square root of 10, and 25 minus 2 is 23. Ayan. Okay, number 15, we have 3 minus 4th root of 5x squared divided by 4th root of 3x cubed. So, ra-rationalize natin ito. 4th root din dito. kailangang 4 na 3 para kumpleto. Kasi lowest term na 3. Prime na siya. Isa plus 3, 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. O, 4 na yan. Ito ay 3 na 3 plus 1 ay 4 na 3. 4 ito. So, ang answer natin dito is 3. Fourth root of 81. Ito, kumpletohin natin 4. So, dagdagan natin ng isa pa. I-times natin ng x. 1 plus 3, 4. So, ang fourth root ng x to the fourth ay x. So, ito, parehas sa itaas. Fourth root din, and 27 x. Okay, equals ibaba. 3 times 27, 81. Lagay na muna natin. So, fourth root of 81 x to the fourth. O, itaas tayo. 3 muna. Times ito, dalawa yan. 3. And fourth root of 27x. Minus. Para yung fourth root, may times natin. Okay, fourth root. 5 times 27. So, we have 135. X2. 2 plus 1 is cubed. Okay, is equal to, rationalize na natin ang ilalim. Fourth root of 81 is 3. Fourth root of x to the fourth is x. Fourth root of 27, wala. Ito, wala rin. So, copy 3. Fourth root of 27 x minus fourth root of 135 x cubed. And that is number